Welcome to the world of Nex. Installing your Nex fan is easy. Just follow this guide to install the fan with the help of your Nexpert. Let's begin installing. Place your motor on the thermo buffer and unscrew the blades to align it with the motor. Secure the blades to the motor tightly. Moving on to the assembly of the canopies. Make sure the slit side of the down rod is facing down. Ensure the canopy stopper is assembled from the slit side of the down rod to lock connection wires in place. Ensure wires do not hinder while replacing bottom canopy back on the canopy stopper. Rest the canopy stopper on the safety bolt to adjust the gap between canopy and motor. Here's how to do it on both BLDC and non-BLDC fans. Installation of the secondary support cable. Refer to the manual for additional support. Disassemble the cable by unscrewing it first. Assemble it and screw it back in. Pass cable to the top of the down rod similar to insulation wires, looping the open end around the hook on the ceiling, closing the loop. Now attach the assembly between the steel clamps. And then lift the top canopy and false ceiling cover. Power on the fan from the switchboard. And done! Your Nex fan is assembled and ready for use. Looks good too! Scan the QR code to know more about extended warranty. Contact us using the details below for additional support.